Hey, how's it going? Well, share a project with you guys. Just picked this up. I know, thinking I'm crazy too, but it's a 1967 Chevy G10 van. Not many of these around anymore, and this one I picked up. It was 2 hours out of 2 hours from where I live. I haven't seen too many around here like this. Just give you a quick tour. Gonna have to get some lenses for the tail lights. It's got some nice rubber on it. 50s on the back with some steel rims. And they're actually painted like a metallic, it's hard to tell, but and the rears have wheel spacers so that I guess the wheel would rub if they didn't have those on there. Body's not really that bad. Rocker panels have been redone. Looks like they just need some more work. Well, we'll go have a look on the inside. That's where the real work is. Okay, so here we are on the inside. Actually, the floor is in good shape. No real rust on the floor at all. We'll get back to this beauty here in a minute. Here we go in the front. This originally was a standard. Previous owner put an automatic in it, but they didn't change the column, so they're using the standard manual transmission lever and just hooked it up to the automatic transmission. So that's going to be a problem to fix, I think. Apparently the automatic steering columns are hard to find, so other option would be to put a shifter on the floor. That's going to be a pain. And the speedometer needle's busted, looks like, and then I think everything pretty much works. Not sure about the speedometer. Most of the lights work. Wipers were working. Okay, let's take this lid off. Hang on a sec. Okay, so here's the engine. It's a 250 Chevy. Looks like there's been a bit of cutting and hacking going on in here. There's some sort of auxiliary heater. Not sure if that works, but you can see there's a little bit of rust on these floors here, but not too bad. Okay, before I explain this jug here, I'll just go show you something else. Okay, well, here's the gas tank. I just took it out last night. This has something to do with that jug inside the van. So I just cleaned it up a bit, painted a little bit, just clean off some of the rust. So let's go back and look. Okay, so this jug here is actually the gas tank. Previous owner hooked this up. I guess there's a little leak in the metal gas tank. It's not very much, just a few pinholes. But he hooked this up temporarily, I guess, and it works. So maybe we'll try and go for a bit of a ride. As you can see, the ignition switch is missing. So he hooked up this toggle switch. And this thing has drum brakes all around, so it's a whole new driving experience. And the gas pedal doesn't really return very well. Actually, not at all. Let's go. Hit the old. Alright, here we go. Ignition. Right. Well, there you have it. Ah, boy, that really stinks in here. So, that's it. We'll maybe be having more videos on this. Hate to tell you. See you later.